Listen, dude, while I tell you a little yarn about a couple of mean hombres.
He's a rootin', tootin', shootin' Russian cowboy. You ought to see him ride his horse. He's a highfalutin', real straight shootin' cowboy, the best in the West, of course. He's as small as he can get, but mister, you can bet he can be mean and ornery. He's a rootin', tootin', shootin' Russian cowboy. Fievel.
That's me! I've got me a reputation, a walking kinda cool and slow, with a cold and mean and hungry look, and my 6 guns hanging low.
The piano player stops a pounding on the ivories,
And there's not a single sound around.
Except for his shaky knees. He's a rootin', tootin', shootin' Russian cowboy. You ought to see him ride his horse. He's a highfalutin', real straight shootin' cowboy, the best in the West, of course. And he's as smart as he can get, but mister, you can bet he can be mean and ornery. And he's a rootin', tootin', shootin' Russian cowboy. 5-0.
That's me!